Wolverhampton in the West Midlands is a shining example of the success that local councils are having in the war against grime. It's down to the tireless commitment from both management and the hundreds of operatives on the ground, relentlessly confronting litter, fly tips and illegally dumped rubbish and household goods that's really making the difference. The city's motto is "Out of the darkness cometh light", but for Lew, one of the city's proudest litter pickers, out of the darkness normally comes a load of rubbish to clear up on the early morning shift.
Obviously we're coming here to tidy up after they've left this overnight. This is supposed to be a recycle area. Funny piece of cardboard this is, but it's a car seat, but in this game you never know what you might find.
The thing that really gets Lew and his partner Dave going is people's seeming inability to put the cardboard they bring down to the recycling point, the few more feet, actually into the bin.
There's room here to put cardboard. If you want to see me put a piece of cardboard in, I can put cardboard in. There's just no need for this. There you are, out. But we have to tidy it because they won't pick it up. The main cause of the problem with the rubbish here is people searching and looking to see if there's anything good they can salvage out of it. Where you've got people, you'll always get rubbish. So it'll keep me employed until I retire. As you can see, we started with an empty lorry this morning. It's now half full, and this is just the start of the day. Normally this is within the first half hour. They pay me, I enjoy it, it'll be clean and tidy. And perhaps one day they'll learn how to recycle properly.
In Wolverhampton, Lew and Dave have been called away from their normal litter picking duties to help out with an unusual discarded item.
They brought this caravan full of old tyres, rubber, that people have got to really pay to get rid of. So they've just dumped it here, set fire to it and run. But obviously we'll clear it up and go from there. We're just going to clear this traffic at the moment. Stop there. We just direct this bit of traffic and try and give us a bit of freedom. There was one gas bottle, which is over there. Obviously, the fire service have been here and they have said it's safe, so we can carry on. There's not a problem.
The fire brigade may have given the all clear, but Lew's about to find out that the caravan can always fight back.
Recycle it. Oh, see how dangerous? Yeah, no problem. Did you get that on camera? See how I fought it off? Obviously, I was watching you instead of watching what I was doing.
But in true Lew style, his brush with the tyre does nothing to quash his enthusiasm for the job.
This is it. You never know, there's a variety of work. There's always something different. It's never the same day twice.
The team makes short work of clearing all the rubbish from the caravan, and all that's left to do now is for the shell to be towed away, the road sweeper to do its work, and Lew to give the scene a final brush down. Another good result for Lew and the council's team.